And another 67. On cargo gardens.
May we have your attention, please? Please note that closed-circuit television and remote video monitoring is in use at this station for your personal safety and security are likely to be removed without warning.
I don't know, Charlie. 802.
There were any 377s.
The train now approaching platform 12 is the train and the platform. Mind the gap. Platform 11 for the 1803 Southwest train service to Dorset.
Travel in the correct part of the train. Customers for Barnet, Chichester, Havant, Sutton, Portsmouth and Southsea, and
477150.
coaches of the train. Customers for Billinghurst, Marlborough, Arundel, West, Barnet, and Oakley Regis should travel in the rear 4 coaches of the train. Customers for Nutfield, Godstone, Edenbridge Town, Penshurst, Lye, Tunbridge and Bognor Regis. Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Mind the gap.
Yep. Like 377s always do. We don't see double 377s at train, do we?
We never see double 377s.
Except for here.
Surbiton, Hitchenwood, Claygate, Oxshott, Cobham and Stoke Davenant, Effingham Junction, Horsley, Clapham, London Road, Guildford and Guildford. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 11 for the 1812 Southwest train service to Guildford.
Here comes the southern train.
Platform 14 for the 1808 Clapham service to London Victoria. Calling at Battersea Park and London Victoria. Platform 14 for the 1808 Clapham service to London Victoria. Platform 13 for the 1812 Saturn service to Brighton. service of drinks and light service to London Victoria.
We're taking another 455.
London Victoria. Mind the gap between the train. 12-7 service to Brighton. Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Mind the gap.
Right behind this train. See it?
Oh goodness, yes. Coming off the loop.
Well, it was going on to the loop.
Oh, the red light on the back.
Yeah. Did you say anything about power stations?
Yes, we had back there is a huge power station back to see full big jetties.
I think it's right behind us.
Final destination. Thank you for travelling with Southern. Please remember to take all your belongings with you when you leave the train. And please do not leave unattended items of luggage in the train or on the station.
Then ring up your current thing and see if they'll give you a deal. Say to them, yeah, think about leaving, I wonder what they'll do. I don't want to do like refurbishment on floors, don't they?
Yeah.
And she pays about £16 a month.
No, she was going down to Canada. More 377?
That's fine,
There's two there. Oh, what do I mean?
yeah, lovely. I'm going to tell you.
Double fee.
Side order.
No, triple fee. Don't see that often, do we? And after this bridge, it would have disappeared.
Very big terminals.
Thursday we're going to go
I think it's one of the busiest commuter terminuses. It seems to have got more boxes than we've ever seen.
There's a Gatwick Express over there. Gatwick Express in the background.
Oh, she's been me and the PhD student. How to the one. Video.